Good morning children, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about this human respiratory system. Human respiratory system is composed of the nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, alveoli and lungs. So this pathway, this we can call as a respiratory pathway. During the respiration, how the air enters when we breathe in, when we inhale, when we intake the air. From this part, it enters and finally how it reaches? Finally to the lungs. It shows that pathway completely, right from this to here. So before we proceed to know the pathway of respiration, we want to know the definition of respiration. What is respiration? The process of oxidation of food and release of energy. The process of oxidation of food, breakdown of food with the help of oxygen which is taken in and release of energy. We call it as respiration. What is respiration? Let me remind the definition. The process of oxidation of food and release of energy. How the food is oxidized? The oxygen which is taken in during respiration, that oxygen for the helpful to oxidize the food. So, in addition to the oxidation of food, there is a release of energy takes place during respiration. So, this pathway shows that the nose, the nose has two nostrils. Our nose has two nostrils. When we breathe in, we inhale the air. Through the nostril, the air enters in. The nostril inside, it has hair. The hair which are present in the nostril of the nose cavity. Those hairs help, they prevent, trap the dust particles in the inhaled air. From there, the air comes down to the nasal cavity. The inner diameter of the nasal cavity is lined with the mucus gland, and that mucus gland produces the mucus, and that mucus it warms the air, which is the inhaled air, the mucus, because of due to flow of air in this nasal cavity. It should not get dries up the area. Therefore, the mucus is always produced by the mucus gland. The inner cavity of this nasal cavity has that mucus gland. Due to that, mucus production takes place. Down below the nasal cavity, the other part, pharynx. The nasal cavity opens into the other part, pharynx. The pharynx is a common passage for the movement of air during respiration and movement of food during digestion. The food, whatever we eat from the mouth, esophagus, it moves across through the pharynx. So it is considered as a common passage for both movement of food during digestion and movement of air during respiration. Pharynx. The pharynx opens into the next part, that is called larynx. Larynx we can call it as for the voice box, or commonly known as Adam's apple, the larynx. It has several membranes, cartilaginous membranes. That cartilaginous membranes present in the larynx. It is made with several C-shaped cartilaginous rings. This trachea below the larynx, it produces the membranes, several folds of membrane present in the larynx. When they vibrate, it results into speech. We are able to speak sound is produced. So trachea is made of several C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Trachea. Below the larynx, what is the next part? Trachea. Like this. Trachea is made with several C-shaped cartilaginous rings. C-shaped cartilaginous rings. When the trachea from the chest, when it enters, it divides like this. When it enters the chest cavity, This is we call trachea. The trachea which is made with several C-shaped cartilaginous rings. When it enters the chest cavity, the trachea further gives two junctions like this. And it is each trachea have these branches. These are called bronchi. And each bronchi gives spread for several branches. These are bronchioles. And to the end junction of this bronchioles, this we can call alveoles here shown. What are alveoles? The structural and functional unit of lungs. In this way. And this will be a right lung and this will be a left lung like this. So what is shown here as a rough diagram? See. The air, when we inhale air, first enters the nostril, from nostril moves down to nasal cavity, from nasal cavity pharynx opens, from pharynx larynx, then trachea, from bronchi. What are bronchis? These branches, which are attached to this way. The bronchis, finally the other end of the, one end of the bronchi is connected to this, and the other end of this bronchi tube is connected to the alveoli. So what are alveoli? They are the structural and functional unit of lungs. Alveoli are the structural and functional unit of lungs. So what happens? These are the cells. Alveoli are the cells present in the lungs, through which the oxygen diffuses inside the lungs. And here, the membrane that surrounds the human lung, the membrane which surrounds the human lung is pleura. What it is? Pleura. The right lung will have two lobes and the left lung have three lobes. 1, 2, 3. And this lung has only two lobes. In this way, what happens? When the air, the amount of oxygen present in the air, when reaches this part, it gets diffuses. So this is just introductory part. Pathway shows the respiration process. How the air reaches from this to this. The mechanism of breathing and respiration in detail we will discuss in our next class. So thank you. We'll stop today.